Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satalkar. Today's date is 2 April 2022 and today's Viva topic is synchronization in Java. And synchronization in Java is the capability of the control to the access of the multiple thread and of any shared resources. And Java synchronization is the better option, and here you went to the allow and only one thread and is access sharing the resources, and by using the synchronization and to the private thread interface, and second is to private consistency problem. And types of synchronization, there are two types of synchronization. First one is process synchronization and second one is a thread synchronization. And thread synchronization is a manual exclusivity and a synchronization method, synchronization block, and third is static synchronization and a corporation thread communication in Java, and manual execute, and manual execute help keep the thread from the interfacing within the one another and sharing the data by using the synchronization method, and by using the synchronization block, and by using the synchronization static synchronization. And synchronization is a built around the internal entity, and as known as the block, and mandatory, and every object has a block and associated, and it is the conversion of the thread, and that is the object field, and is acquire relates to the acquire the object lock before ascending then the relates in the lock of everything. And understanding and synchronization is the used in the method, and synchronization object, and it is the declare method, and synchronization is known as the synchronization method, and synchronization we use to the log of the object and every share resources. And when thread is the invoke to the synchronization method, and it is automatically acquired to the log for the object, and release the synchronization, and every synchronization is the that's why. And this is the important point of the about synchronization, and synchronization is the keyword, and used to the implementation and synchronization in Java, and synchronization is the keyword, and but is the applicable in method, and is the block only, not class and variable uses. And if you method and a block declare synchronization, and when time only one thread can be executed, that method is the given. And what is the main advantage of disadvantage of synchronization? And the main advantages is the synchronization is thread using synchronization and a keyword we can solve the data associated properly. And but main second disadvantages and of the synchronization keyword, and the increasing weight to the time of the thread, and is effect to the performance of the synchronization. And it is a very important unstandard, that is the internal synchronization and concept of the implementation. And every object has the unique lock, and so here we can use the synchronization keyword and the only lock concept, and we come to the into every keyword. And if thread wait to executed of the synchronization method, and the given object, which is the must get thread, and the object once, then is the got the lock of the object, and can be executed only synchronization method, and that object is synchronization method, and executional complete, then is the automatically thread, and it relies in block. And synchronization synchronization with is a thread and a synchronization method remaining thread is not allowed to the executed synchronization and method on the object and simultaneously, but the remaining the thread are allowed the executed or non synchronization method. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.